Good morning, ma'am. My name is Sandhya from MSc Computer Science first year. Now I am going to do a presentation on the topic metrics in the process and project domain. Content introduction, metrics in the process, software process improvement, project metrics, metrics in the process domain. Introduction, metrics are useful to analyze and take decisions for the method and a product in order to accept, refuse or develop a software. Metrics are nothing but standard of measurements. It will measure the development of software. Metrics are useful in setting goals for new processes, methods or products. It also helps to identify the requirement in the development process. It helps to identify the development process in the software. The development and validation of the software process models are based on the quantitative analysis. It can be used for determination of software quality and productivity. Categories of metrics. There are three categories of metrics: product metrics, process metric and project metrics. Now we will go to first we will see about the product metrics. Product metrics are nothing but it is the measurement of size, complexity, design, features, performance and quality level of the product. These product metrics will measure the size, complexity, design, features, performance and quality level in the software process. Whereas process metrics, it will optimize the software development and maintenance. Process metrics can be used. It will optimize the software development and also it will maintain the process in the software development. Third one is project metrics. The characteristics and execution of a project are described by project metrics. The number of software development, staffing pattern across the software lifecycle, cost, scheduling, and productivity are all examples factors to consider. In the project metrics, it will show the characteristic and execution of the project, and also it will describes about the project metrics means the standard and it means the standard of measurements, and it also develops the software process and staffing pattern. Staffing pattern is nothing but rank list of a occupation employed with an industry. In the industry, it will show the rank list of an occupation of employee. Metrics in the process metrics define the quantitative and qualitative measures related to the process, its performance and its evolution. Process metrics are relevant to a process entity like activity, role, artifact, condition, set or combination of entities. In the process metric, it defines about the quantitative and qualitative. Quantitative is nothing but it is a data which is quantitative. It is a data which can be measured or counted, and qualitative data is descriptive. It cannot be measured, it cannot be expressed in terms, it cannot be measured. And the artifact condition is nothing but it is a tool or a object. It is related in the software process. Software process improvement. Software process improvement is also called as SPI methodology. It is defined as a sequence of tasks, tools, and techniques to plan and implement improvement activities to achieve specific goals, such as increasing development speed, achieving higher product quality, or reducing cost. In software process improvement, it shows the sequence of the tasks, tools, and techniques to plan means how to plan in the software process, and it will also show the goals of a specific activity, and it helps in the increasing of speed and achieving higher product in the process in the software process. SPI means software process improvement mainly consists of four cyclic steps. It consists of four cyclic steps. First step is improvement planning, and the first step is current situation evaluation. The second process is improvement planning. The third process is improvement implementation, and the last process is improvement evaluation. First, we should see the current situation, and later we should plan how to work on it. Next, we should improve the implementation, and lastly we should evaluate that process. Project metrics are the metrics used by the project manager. Mostly these metrics is used by the project managers to check the project progress, whether it is going good and it is developing or not. Data from the past projects are used to collect the various metrics like time, cost, means how much time it is taking and within how much time it will complete it. They will always they'll measure and they will work on that data. proceeds, the project manager will check its process from time to time and will compare the effort, cost and time with the original efforts, cost and time, and also understand these metrics are used to decrease the development cost, time, efforts and risk. With the help of project metrics, it will save the time and it also helps in the improvement. The project quality can also be improved. It helps in the improvement in the process. As quality improves, the number of errors and time as well as cost required is also reduced. Errors means mistakes made by a programmer during coding. So it also helps to decrease the errors. Metrics in the project domain. Project metrics enables a project software project manager to assess the status of ongoing project. It will assess how to start the project and how to end the project, and track potential risk. Potential risk is nothing but slowly the capacity to develop, how to develop a project in some processes. Adjust workflow or task. Many of same metrics are used in both process and project domain. Metrics from past project are used as a basis for the estimating time and effort. Uh, they'll see the past projects, how much time and how much effort they are taking, and they'll implement the new projects with that time. Thank you.